Today I'm going to be making the kids some caramel apple dip, and I just want to make a sweet snack just for fun. I've already got Granny Smiths in the house to go with the caramel apple dip. They pair really well because they're pretty sour and tart, and they pair really well with that sweet cream cheese caramel dip that we like so much. The apple dip takes like 5 minutes to make, no joke. It's so easy. You just mix a few ingredients and eat it. It's so good too. It's so good. It's such a fun fall treat. This dip is so easy to make. It's literally only 3 ingredients. Well, yeah, 3 ingredients. 4 if you count the Heath bits, if you decide to put Heath bits in it. 1 package of cream cheese, and then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of caramel extract, which you should be able to find in the baking aisle at your grocery store. Then you're going to whisk that up until the cream cheese is whipped pretty good and ready for the powdered sugar. Then we're going to add in 2½ cups of powdered sugar. Then you're going to mix that up, and that's it. That looks awesome. You can let it beat for a few minutes, and then it'll really soften up and whip up really nicely into a nice dip. I used to make this a lot. Alright, so now all we have to do is slice up some apples and we're good to go. So you can put your dip into a pretty dish to serve it, like a ramekin or just a small dish for dipping. Or you can put it out and let your guests get their own in individual bowls. This is such an easy fall snack. My kids love this. I've made this for years, ever since, well, Jacob's 17 now. Ever since he was a baby, pretty much. It's a great fall appetizer or even a dessert. Movie night. Now if you want, you can sprinkle your dip with a little bit of Heath bits. And then you have a little bit of chocolatey toffee goodness when you dip in with your apple. It's just a little bit more fun. And it gives it a little pretty. And when you're ready to eat, you just dip into it. Can't wait to try it. I love this stuff. It brings back so many memories because we used to make this all the time. I can't wait to show my kids.
You're not in school. You don't get any.
Oh, yes, he does.
He stole the plate. Hey, I need some too. I need some too.
Hey, it's for everybody, buddy. It's for everybody. You gotta share. Can Mommy have one? I'm gonna steal one. playing with the boys. Alright, you guys ready for some Table of Elements bingo?
Yep.
CR chromium. Are you making a pie? C carbon. PA proactinium. RA radium. RN radon. NA sodium.
Your mom's